So how do we do this hand challenge? The new one is the DELE challenge. Hand challenge, where it is 2 times harder, but that's what they say, but I don't know, it's fine. This challenge has been around for I don't know, and I will be teaching you guys how to do this useless trick. You start off with this, right? You just do this, like, you just have to like stretch your hand. Doing some yoga or something, so it has to be in this position. It's like doing this, but you leave your fingers here and your forehead. So the easier thing to do, or the trick, is you just put your 3 fingers here ready, and then you just make a circle like that. Like that. It's just an angle. It's like a trick. So you would think it's hard, or you think it's something. So you put the 3 and then you just voila. For the DELE challenge hand thing, you have to put this thing. You have to put your thumb finger to your ring finger like that, and then your pinky and your middle finger together like that, and this will have the illusion that it's the pinky, but it's not, so it's like that. So that is how to do that challenge, hand thingy and whatever. So this is quite hard there. I just learned it like 5 minutes ago. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I don't know, this is the most useless, this is the most, I don't know, this is such a useless trick to learn, and this is probably my nonsense tutorial. This is the most nonsense tutorial I have ever made. Thank you for watching, and you gotta do something with your life, man, then rather than watching this stupid video. Like, comment, subscribe, and whatever other challenges you want me to do, or the tutorials you want me to do. So yeah. Oh, this is really hard.